x4 plus 14x squared is negative 45.
What's negative? Are we trying to find the root for this? Is that what?
What's that?
What are we trying to find in this one?
Yeah, I think it's the roots.
The root? Okay. That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah. You can add the 45 over and do a u substitution.
Yeah, that's what it says.
5, 0. And u equals x squared. U plus 45. 45 has to be 5 and a 9. Yeah, so u plus 9 times u plus 5 equals 0. So u equals negative 9. And u equals negative 5.
Yeah.
That's what I got too.
Just put it in, plug it in.
Plug it into the thing, you get 0.
X squared equals negative 9, x squared equals negative 5. So ends up being x equals 3i. And greater than 5i.
That's the root. Okay, negative 9. Negative 3i.
Then square root of 5i.
5i. 5i.
Now, what is it, a plus or minus, right? You gotta put the plus or minus in
Yes,
front of it.
minus.
Yeah, with the eyes always.
Does that sound right to everybody?
Yep.
Yeah, you have the same answer.
That's what I got.
The next one, x squared plus 2x equals 5 minus x squared. I always forget, do you only have to make one side negative? Either or? B? X squared plus 2x equals negative 5 plus x squared, and the other one is just kept the same. Or am I mistaken?
That sounds right to me.
So you subtract the x squared from both sides. That gets rid of that. 2x equals negative 5. So x equals negative 5 halves for one of the answers. And then there will be 2x squared plus 2x minus 5. I'm going to do, let's put that in the quadratic formula. I got negative 2, or oops, not negative 2, negative 1 plus or minus 1 times, or I guess let me put the 1 out there and just put square root of 11 all over 2. Yep. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
11.
Then I also got a negative 5 over 2.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Number 2 wasn't too bad. We can run through that one real quick if we need to.
Okay. x to the fifth minus 6x to the fourth plus 14x to the third minus 16 squared plus 8x equals 0. To pull out an x. Just to find all the real and imaginary roots.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So you just factor it, use the zero factor principle, then run it through the quadratic formula.
Wait, is it quadratic? Is it the? That's the synthetic division, right? So
Yeah.
it can either be positive, negative 1, 2, 4, 8, right? Over 1 and 2.
Yep.
So what did you guys put for the synthetic? Was it like, which one went into it? Was it 2?
Yeah, I think it was 2. And then the original is way earlier.
18, 16, 8, 19, 4, 2, 10, 20. Yeah, so 2 works.
You factored first, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
vector against first.
Okay, you factored first, so okay,
I always forget.
x
Is that x minus 2?
x minus 2 squared.
Yeah, because like you put the 2 in, so that means it's x minus 2 times 2x.
Yeah, x minus 2, x minus 2, x squared minus 2x plus 2. I think.
Oh, okay, I got it now.
You did synthetic division again.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2, maybe 2, 2, then 4, and then 2, it's 4. So add those together, it's 2, 2 is just 4. Add those together. 14. Wait. So you said it was 2? It was in there?
I swear it was.
2's not working. It's, let me try it. -2. -4. It's -6. 12. That doesn't work. Yeah, that wouldn't work. That's 2. 2. 4. Turn 1.
Which one are you guys doing now?
Still working on 2.
Right now.
2. So the just the first x minus 2.
Wait, so you said it was negative. It was 2 or x minus 2, x minus 2.
Yeah.
Just x minus 2 squared. So did you do synthetic division twice? How did you get? You do it once, right? So it gets x minus 2 times 2x to the third minus 2x squared plus 10x plus 4, right? Does that sound right? Am I doing that?
Yeah, so what I kind of did first is I first took whole equation, factor out our common term, x, and
Yeah.
that'll give you the so x in front of x to the fourth plus 14x squared minus 6x to the third minus 6x plus 8. Then you
Well, you
factor,
factored out 2x.
and then you factor that, and you end up
Gotcha.
after you factor that, you end up getting the sorry, excuse me.
Gotcha. I'd put that.
End up getting x minus 2 times x cubed plus 6x minus 4x squared minus 4. Then you
Okay,
factor
so I know what
you factor
yeah, I know what I did wrong. I actually wrote 2x to the fifth. I don't know why I did that. So I just wrote it down wrong.
I don't do it. That's fair. Reason why,
I wonder what that,
reason why we have groups.
right?
Just after you factor it that second time, and you get another x minus 2 out in front, that'll spit out x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 2.
Yeah. Six, 6, 12. Okay, and that crosses that. Okay. So x minus 2 plus x squared 6x minus 4. So you said that division again. You said you do 2 minus 4, 6 minus 4. So 1, 2, 2. 4, that crosses out. Okay. So it's x minus 2 squared. It's x squared minus 2x plus 2, right? And you can do that. Right, 2 times 2. You can't do the quadratic, right? Or, wait, 2 times 2. 1 times 2. Now you just do x minus 2. X minus 2. So that's 4x. 1. Yeah, you have to put in the quadratic, right?
Yeah, afterwards you throw it into the quadratic. And it should be negative, or I guess it cancels out, so it becomes 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2 divided by 2.
Wait, did you say you had 2i? Or wait.
The solutions I ended up with or the zeros and roots I ended up with, like the same thing, I guess, is 0, 2, 1 plus x, and 1 minus 1 plus I, and 1 minus I.
Right, that's what I got. Yeah, one plus and or 1 plus or minus I.
Yeah.
I did it 2x.
Okay.
Okay.
So the real imaginary roots 0, 2, 1 plus or minus I. Okay. Yeah, it helps to write the problem down.
It does.
Correctly.
This last one's been giving me a little bit of difficulty, though. It seems like it's
Find number plates cost 3. 0.5x plus square root of 8x plus 5,000.
Yep.
To isolate the,
Oh, God, I hate word problems.
plug that in first, $83.50.
yep.
Equals 0.5x plus square root of 8x plus 5,000. You need to isolate the square root, so subtract it, 0.5 both sides, so it just ends up being 83.00.
Yep.
Well, square root of 8x plus 5,000. You can square both sides. Square equals, okay, right?
Yep, that's what I did. I just figured out what I did wrong too. So I think I figured out what I did wrong.
5,000. That's the you subtract 5,000 from each side, right? We're not doing that right.
Yeah, subtract 5,000 from each side.
You subtract like 0.5 first from both sides.
You divide by 0.5 first. So you do 83.5 divided by 0.5. Square root of that. Divide that by 8. Minus 5,000. And that should give you 2 x's on the other side, which is x squared. And you should take the square root of that, I think. If I did my math right.
Yeah, I know that. 5 minus 0.5x equals x plus 5,000 squared. So I'll get that out. 5 squared is 0.25 x squared. And that's minus 2.5 times 41. Um, 2.25 1.75x. Again, so it's times 2. Plus 0.25x. So let's add them all together. 72.25 times 5,000. 1972.25. 83.5 minus 8. So, wait. So plus 8. Minus 91.5x plus 0.25x squared. Is that you guys got?
What do you say?
So if it's, I didn't get the answer yet. I need to put it in the quadratic formula probably, but
Yeah.
it's like 0.25x squared minus 91.5x plus 1972.25. That's kind of like the formula. Just got to put in the quadratic. Put that in there actually right now.
Still kind of halfway through. Still trying to figure out what to do here.
Okay. Minus plus 91.5 minus 1. So 0.25 minus 4a, which is 0.25, c, which is 2.25. Turn that over. 2 times 0.25. That. Okay. 3, 17, 2, minus, okay. 80 over. So the 23 or 343. That's equals 23 and 43. Is that in dollars? What was that question again?
Number of plates.
Number of plates, okay.
The number plates? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we're looking.
Is given in dollars by. So plug it in to see which one works.
True or false? Yeah.
You get a cost of 8.
Okay, so 0.5.
5.
What was that? 0.5 times 23.
Oh, excuse me.
Square root of 8 times 23 plus 5,000. Yeah, so 23 is the right one. Is that what you got?
Yeah. I'll just double check your math real quick here as well.
was 3. I think that's too much. Yeah, 343 ends up with $259. 23 plates.
Yep. Like it works out great. It's like way earlier today, so I'm like, did I do this right? B was giving me a run for my money though, and figuring out how to
get that? What's the minimum number of plates that Glenn must make and sell to make a profit? The food sells per plate.
I just find this confusing because I'm not entirely sure what the above equation is all the way calculating out.
Yeah, everybody else cost is because the number of plates
Is X, and the overall cost is C.
make a profit. So he puts in it's gonna be 4.49 times X at some point because that's how many per plate. The minimum amount you can make or to make a profit. Where's it saying how much he? Where's it saying he has to?
Yeah, it's not telling us what you have to figure out what C is, but the problem is.
So C is the cost.
Yeah.
And so the cost. Oh, which cost? My number of plates of food for which the cost is the cost of food or cost of plates.
I think it's cost of food altogether. So I think it should be C will have to be.
So that's how much he is paying for it, not how much people are buying from him.
Yeah. So we can get C below Z.
Gotcha. Okay. So we can just kind of plug it in one, plug in the other. So what's 23 times 4.49? And then kind of just go down from there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So that's the only way. I don't know how to do that mathematically. Like besides just plug and chug kind of thing.
I'm sure there's something, but I don't remember reading it at all during this week's stuff at all. Let's see.
Find the minimum. 4.49 per plate. So 4.49 times $103.27. Right. Let's see. He's not making a profit there. He's losing money. I think, right? Or no, he's making a profit still. Okay.
Yeah.
Go down to 20. Making a profit of 20. Try 15. He stops making a profit. Let's try 18. That's where he is still making a profit. You can make decimal plates either. We can't make 1.5 plates.
Now we'll have to do whole numbers every time.
So sells it for 85. 18 so far is the lowest I've gotten. Try 17. So 17, he is selling them for. I forgot which one's which. Sells them for. 85. He's still making a profit. So it's 19 maybe? Let's try that. Oh, wait. What's that? 6. So he's making a profit. I think it's 18. Check me on that, but
I'll go through and check it.
it makes $80.82, and he has to. But the cost of that is 80.72 or $80.72 cents. So he's still making a profit, but only by 10 cents.
Yeah. And you said what was that? 18?
18, yeah.
18.
Let me plug in. See what I get. See if it's the same on that one with 18. Okay. Yeah, so it's 80.72 with 18 plates.
Yeah, what he has to pay.
Comes up by 18. Yep. 18 plates will be the last amount.
18 plates.
Okay. Whew. Okay. That was taking me forever, and when you were talking through that, I just figured out how to do B. That was stupid.
Yeah. There must be some way I need to look at, maybe there's something in the resources that I didn't see, but there must be somewhat easier than just plugging it in. And it seems pretty tedious, and I don't see how that's helps us with any principles we might have learned. So there might be something in there that
I know, me too. That's what I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think of some equation that it might possibly be, but I'm not certain.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that was the last one. If you don't mind, Mark, would you mind posting this one up on the group quiz for this week? And we can just cycle through them every week. So next week I'll post the group quiz answers, and then the week after Kevin will do it, because I think Kevin did it last week, and then I did it the week before.
Do we have to show the work and everything? Is that what?
Yeah, it just says show work. I think it's show enough work to know that we didn't just find it somewhere.
Super detailed.
Oh yeah, because the answers at the bottom, right? Or do they have the answers? Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Have the answers.
What's the participation points? Is that something else that was done, or what?
Yeah, the participation points I put up whenever you put up a video. I just mark down that since all three of us come and contribute, I get us for it.
Okay. So yeah, if you want to put the video, I can do the
All right.
quiz itself.
Okay.